and Igbo people, they like business, so, but that they do it in a different way. If Igbo they do your business, if they do and go Nigeria, Igbo people they like to they import where. Why Benin they do their own business for the country? See, Igbo person ready to import fairly used brush go Africa. Why Benin they do their own for the country? Where I fear Benin and where I go Jamie. You know say Jamie na big man country. If they want to wear anything where they don't like, they will go put them for online. Put address. If you dey interested, come carry. One Oyibo just put plasma online for free. One Benin guy from my area, he go carry am, put am for your online, sell am 200. Wetin shock me, the guy when he buy am, na him elder brother throway am. Oh, see, Igbo and Benin na him make. They know they see television for street for Italy. Oh. Before when we knew come, if you go Italy, you will see television fridge for street in the morning. See, one day at the waka they go, I see where Oyibo, they discuss with one black boy. They tell us, say, I don't need the fridge, you can take it. See where Benin and Igbo enter. See where Benin and Igbo they debate. Oga 450, Benin say 480. For television when they walk throw away for free. Oh, you no go feel understand. See, make I shock you. We know say Oyibo no good though, but Oyibo good for one thing. Oyibo can never say fairly use give you. They will dash you. Now we make them go they sell and give ourselves. Oh. See, make I tell you, for this country, Oyibo no they like Pomo and Shaki. Oyibo no they like Pomo and Shaki. Once you reach there for slaughter, in the money they kick out for your pleasant, they will dash you that Shaki or Pomo. Now we come make them they sell them. Some Benin and Igbo people go carry Pomo for free. Carry Shaki for free. They go come wash and cut and 5 euro. They use and they do business. Oh, you no go feel understand. I know say at the thought of Benin and Igbo now, they go say that because say I be Esan, they make me they talk like this. See, make I tell you where I come from. Now Esan. The original name na ESAN, Esan, but the AKA, the popular name na Isha. Oh, you no go feel understand. Esan where I come from now, there person use Pikin exchange 1 million. Oh God, I don't know what I want to talk again. See, for Esan, make I tell you, Igbo and Esan, that they do the same competition. Just that say Igbo people now to spray money for burial. Esan people they are honor for parapet. Oh, see for Esan, if one boy put parapet for house, that full street, everybody must put parapet. Oh, if you like, make that person dey prison. Oh God! See when I did deportation camp now, I see where Esan guy they receive call. Engineer, don't forget parafeto. Now go meet him. I say, oh yeah, but he say, you never roof your house. You say me they put parafet. What of if they deport you? He say forget. If they deport me, he can make me like oh. Oh, Esan oh yeah. And they always they tell some people say no, they allow your complaint overcome your praise. Oh, always praise God and appreciate Him, because some people they know how to complain. That they only they see who pass them. They know they see who they pass. When you don't sit down, tell God say thank you for making it possible for you to be alive today. And I talk to you now. When you don't check your time, say, God, this time around at 4 o'clock. Now people go dey every farm now. Oh, no go feel understand. People they complain no. He get one guy from my area I complain to say he don't know when he tell which he said bad. If you just go call him, tell him say, Chinedu, you say, you don't hear say that guy go open your house marry. He go say, God, why not me? Go meet him, Chinedu, you say, that guy don't go house, don't buy car, drive. He go say, God, why not me? One day, person just call me. Say, that guy don't die. I say, hey, oh, Chinedu. He say, he don't even allow me talk finish. I say, don't you say that guy don't. He say, God, why not me? I say, you are the next to die. Oh, you don't feel that.
Mr. Souf.